Hey guys, Double here, and welcome back to The Legend of Zelda, the Twilight Princess. Let's talk to this Goron, because I'm pretty sure I skipped him last time. Why do I have to stand guard? The ladder's destroyed, so it's not even like any humans will come up. And what's with the elders? If we have a problem with the humans can help with, we should ask. It's better than suffering for the sake of pride. I'm pretty sure Ocarina of Time takes place before this game, which I now find that extremely weird. That they're like worried about pride because Link saved them in Ocarina of Time. And this appears to be the same Hyrule, so you'd think that their tribe would be more willing to let humans help them. So I think I was a little further up, but I don't really care. Maybe this time I'll get those last two goddamn tears. I'm pretty sure I have to wait for that to go down and stuff. Okay, so random story time. Not really a story, I don't know. Ow! Ow! Okay, I guess that one doesn't go down. In my area, okay, I guess there's two stores. There's sort of two used gaming stores. One shares with a thrift shop, and one is a pretty cool local shop that my brother knows the guy who owns it. Son didn't give us any discount. Okay, no. They haven't. Both of them are insanely good. Like, yeah, fuck. Where's the other? Okay. Like, both of them have. What? Are there four? No, I got all three. Like, okay. Anyway, fuck. I might have missed one. Yep. Anyway, what? There is another one. I have to kill. Okay, there. So, how do I do this? What the fuck? No. Oh, there we go. So I'm just gonna kill this guy because the one won't be trouble. Ow! Fuck you! Anyway, this store is like a boxed NES with everything for like $100. It's not factory sealed or anything, because that would just be way too. Like, he'd just be losing way too much profit. So yeah, he's great. We go to him, and I heard from a couple people that Sin and Punishment Star Successor on the Wii was actually a really great game, and he had it there for $5. So I'm like, yeah, why the hell not? So I ended up picking it up, and it's actually really entertaining. Damn it, I can't move. Oh shit. It's a rail shooter, third-person action shooter. Ow. It's kind of like Kid Icarus Uprising. Oh shit. So this is like Death Mountain from Ocarina of Time. Okay. I wanted to go up there. wonder how I get up here as a human. Anyway, I've really been enjoying it. It's hard, too. It's not some super easy game. Of course it is. Oh shit. Didn't even notice you. So, yes, I'd strongly suggest getting it. If you're able to find it. Ow. Where the fuck do I go? That'd be insanely annoying if I have to roll this all the way over here. I'd break these things. Rupee, of course. And other story. The thrift shop place thing. Did I come from down there? I don't think I did. Was having a sale today with all... okay, I can get back up if I need to. All gaming merchandise, it was 25% off. So, I went there like expecting to find some cool GameCube or Wii game or maybe Dreamcast or, I don't know, rare PS3 game. This vibrating of the Wii remote is actually really fucking annoying. And I'm really considering turning the Wii remote off. Or the vibration, not the Wii remote. Can't turn the Wii remote off in the middle of recording. And I'm playing a game. God damn it! So, anyway, at their sale, there it is. I got a PS2, Grand Theft Auto Vice City, God of War 2, all the cables for the PS2, a controller, and we did have to buy a memory card afterwards, but that was only $10 for $30. Which, damn, I was not expecting some sort of deal like that. Of course, they had some sort of super special bargain table thing that had, you know, PS2 and a bunch of other stuff that, like, they had a 360 for $15 or something, 20 maybe, on their Facebook page advertised, but we got there like 5 minutes after they opened, so it was taken first. Aw, I was just starting to have fun. Don't forget that fused shadow. See you later. Shouldn't the goddess or whoever show up now? Okay, I guess that's happening. It kind of looked like how Midna was like, see you later. But aren't there only 3 goddesses here? Because there's a lot more than 3 temples. And I'm assuming, as I mentioned to Tonberry earlier, that this game's length is about the same as Ocarina of Time's. My name is Eldon. I am one of the light spirits of Hyrule. I am the spirit that guards these lands. Oh, great hero chosen by the gods. The dark power you seek lies in the sacred grounds of the proud mountain dwellers. But already those grounds have been defiled, draped in shadow, and seeded with evil. You must go to those sacred grounds and cleanse them. Okay. They didn't really want humans there, but meh. Birds? No. Link? Wow. That was nice. See, Beth, I told you Link would save us. Baby doesn't seem all that happy. You are the one from Orden whom these children spoke of. We are well met. I'm Renato, shaman of this town. I'm not sure if you're a guy or a girl. And this is my daughter, Luda. Please say mommy or daddy. The beast took us and left us, but Mr. Okay, that's fine. But Mr. Renato found us. At first, I couldn't believe they had come... Okay, that's the worst Italian accent. He's not Italian! I couldn't believe they had come from so distant a place as the Orden That wasn't actually all that far. Yeah, I don't remember much. All of a sudden everyone was captured, and then until now it's been like... a nightmare. Yeah, it was like a terrible dream and we couldn't wake up. I can't remember if it explained this, but how are they fine in Twilight? Like, why didn't they change into a beast? I'm pretty sure I changed into a beast because I'm the hero of the gods. But, like, why didn't they just disappear or something? Nightmares are everywhere these days, it seems. This village has certainly seen its share of recent hardships. The dark beasts attacked, but even worse was the sudden and inexplicable charge in the mountain-dwelling Goron tribe. They had long been our friends, but suddenly treated us as foes. Even now they refuse to permit us entry into their minds. How do you know even now? It seems the limits of belief to think that such gentle and proud tribe could change so suddenly. Makes me wonder if something in those minds is the cause of the change. No shit. In any case, you must take these children and flee the village before more nightmares descend. I, of course, cannot leave my village in such a time. There's no telling what may happen to us here. But it is my job to try and coax the Gorons back from their recent change of heart. That faces. There are people talking outside, and I don't think it's picking up on the mic. I hope not. I don't want to leave all these people just to save ourselves. Come on, Link, can't you do something? Isn't there some way to make up with the Gorons? You think someone could go up to the mines and do something? Not you. I do not know what is in the Goron mines, but surely they will soon come to understand it and right what is wrong. Do not concern yourself with me, my son. You must flee this place as quickly as you can. Well, I don't know how. Oh my god, this nunchuck. Okay. I'm gonna try going to that bomb shop. Where is it? This way. Oh, wait. Wasn't it like right next... Doesn't look like it was. See if he's in his bomb shop or whatever. Which house? This one or the other one? Well, this one opens, so it might be, I don't know. Don't think sure. What's this? I caught a female ant? Pretty sure female ants don't glow like that. Like 99% sure. I don't really know if I count it as catching when I just walk over and pick it up when it's sort of just standing there like dead. Thought it might be some sort of item or something. What's the sign say? You can sell bombs? Like, oh, it says occasional holidays, not like closed on New Year's and stuff like that. It's just occasional holidays. Cripes, my stars, my powder, what happened? Them foul beasts, curse them all. Can I go up here? Flammable! Lol. Lol. I want to do that again. That hit Link. Why is it putting the lantern out? Can I roll up here? Nope. Climb the ladder. Don't think that's gonna be all that useful though. I see that door, just trying to explore stuff. I guess I'll figure out what to do next time. See you guys then.